Hey guys, what's up? I made it after driving past it 3 or 4 times because the sign was off in the cut, but I'm here at Bear Hill Preserve. Just a quick reminder, I know it says Pine Bush, New York, but more than likely it's probably in a different town. But when you put it in a GPS, it'll say Pine Bush. But I got here with no problem though. So let's get ready to start this trail, knock it out, and see you guys at the top. Well, they weren't lying in the reviews when they was talking about how buggy it is. Already within like 50 yards of the hike. It's crazy. But no incline as of yet. I'm not sure if I seen anything that said there was going to be some serious inclines, but we'll see. I'm coming up to signs to tell you where to go. It says old trail to exit and main trail, so we definitely want to go to the main trail because that's where the view is, right? So let's see if you guys take a look at it real quick. And like I said earlier, I don't think this is a long hike. I believe it's a little over a mile, but nevertheless, we're gonna check it out. So I'm approaching another sign on this trail. Oh, okay. Yeah, correct. Do not litter. That's very important, y'all, when you're out in nature. Do not litter. So you have the old trail going right, and the cliff trail, which is, of course, where we want to see, right, goes left. So we're going to go that way. Check it out. Well, this is a short hike. It looks like I'm already approaching the summit, you know, the real scenic view, and I'm barely even sweating, you know what I'm saying? And y'all guys know I sweat a lot, so here we are. Well, guys, it was real, it was fun. Bear Hill Preserve, knocked it out. Another hiking trail in the books. See you guys at the next hike. Hiking while black. right, guys, so I got something to show you that's gonna blow your, like, it's gonna take your breath away. And it's a little dangerous, but right when you get to the summit, right next to the summit of the Bear Hill Preserve, there's a cave that I wanna take a couple of minutes. Like I said, proceed at your own precaution. I'm not telling everyone to do it. Might not be for everybody, but look at this. I gotta take my time for this. You know, ain't nobody gonna hear me if I fall down and get stuck down here, you know. But I can always do a maybe it might not work this time. We'll see. Look at this. See that? And right there is the exit point of this trail. Again, I don't recommend this to everybody. It's a little dangerous, but for me, I felt it was worth doing it, and to show you guys, if whenever you come here, you can try it. And voila, it's done. Hiking while black. What's up, guys? So I'm here at the Stone Church, which is right down the street from the Bear Hill Preserve. When I seen a hiker on the trail, they told me that I have to come down here and check it out. It's a must. It's another little gem, just like the Bear Hill Preserve. So if I do one, I gotta do the other one. And hey, I'm giving you guys a 2-for-1 today, you know? You're welcome, you're welcome. So we're gonna check it out real quick. And it is Sunday. I'm not sure if there's any service going on right now, but if there is, I might step in there, hear a few words. I was given permission to take pictures inside of the church. Met the pastor and a few other people, and now they starting service. So I came outside and walked through the back where there's a nice little view. I didn't want to do the drone view of it because it makes some noise, and I wanted to be respectful while the pastor is giving his sermon. But I just want to show you guys real quick. Peace. Hiking while black.